Ayan siya, basang-basa oh. Yan. Let's go, tara. Babalo tayo ng tubo ng aircon. Suot na to. Yan tayo lolasot.
Di ka, anak ko, hindi nga masugan na ako.
Hanggang huli sa'yo. Dito ka lang, pigil ka dito. Huwag ka magpwersa sa ano to. Dito ka mag-apak sa may mga pigat.
Hindi mo matakot mo. Kasi sangit na, tanda ko.
Iwalay na lang yan, huwag mo na yung isama dyan.
Hindi tinagas iyo.
Ayan siya, basang-basa oh. Yan. So yan, tumutulog sa ilalim.
Yo?
Ha?
Di tani pinagi na di sa tani.
Kaya nga kahit dyan sana dyan no, sa may ano to.
Ini pakatop sa mga gano di tani yan. Gambin rang ko lang nga di yan.
Oh, mas maganda yan, ipakat up nila tapos ipalipat dyan no.
Lipat di o, itungtong sa iyo. Okay na palabot di o. Pag sumibog itungtong sa bawang beam di o.
Dito sa beam idaan.
Sa beam, sa bawang
Papunta
di
dyan
o.
no, lusot dito.
Para dito na palagano sa babaw sa guwa sang beam.
Butasan na lang yan no.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man.